Barometric pressure was 30.05 inches.
Alright everybody, today is March 10th, 2026, and we're catching the Virginia tornado drill. So as you can see, it is already 9:45, well, it's a minute before 9:45. We have about 30 seconds left. So here we go.
Now for some observations from the surrounding.
Alright, it is 9:45. There it is. There it is, the required monthly test code.
This is a test of the Virginia Emergency Alert System. This test is being conducted in conjunction with the Virginia Tornado Drill.
10,000 miles per year. Press extra overage. Tax tag.
To exercise their tornado safety procedures. This tornado drill will remain. Unit 1, here on WETA Classical. There will be no follow-up statements issued. Schools and businesses participating in the tornado drill should exercise their severe weather safety plans. This test also serves as the emergency alert system required monthly test for March. Broadcasters in cooperation. Instructions. This is a test of the Virginia Emergency Alert System. This is only a test. This test is being conducted in conjunction with the Virginia Tornado Drill. This drill is conducted annually to allow schools, businesses, emergency managers, and the public to exercise their tornado safety procedures. This practice tornado drill will remain in effect until 10:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. There will be no follow-up statements issued. Schools and businesses participating in the tornado drill should exercise their severe weather safety plans now. This test also serves as the emergency alert system required monthly test for March. Now. This test also serves as the emergency alert system required monthly test for March. Broadcasters, in cooperation with local, state, and national authorities, have developed this system to provide the public with important emergency information should the need arise. This concludes the statewide tornado drill and test of the Virginia Emergency Alert System.
This concludes this test of the Emergency Alert System.
For Saturday night. Large hail to 2 inches in diameter, damaging wind gusts, and tornadoes are all. This message is for test purposes only. The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued this is a test message. This is a test tornado warning for all counties in central Indiana. This is a test message. Until 10:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. spotter activation will likely be needed tonight. Now here is the hazardous. This drill is part of Tornado and Severe Weather Awareness Week. Treat this as if it were a real emergency and practice your emergency plans. Because of this test tornado warning, the normal weather radio weekly test scheduled on Wednesdays will not take place this week. Expected hazards include no severe weather was occurring or expected. Source: this is a test. The following impacts are expected. In a real tornado, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Even well-built homes may suffer significant damage. This is test. This is a test message. Locations impacted include all of central Indiana. This is a test message. Take this time to practice your tornado preparedness plans. This is Indiana Severe Weather Preparedness Week. If this were an actual warning, you would be given information about the location and path of the storm and safe actions to take. This is a test message. At this time, please review your tornado preparedness plans. This is a test message. Do not take action based on this message. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 10:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 9:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Adams, Allen, Blatford, DeKalb, Elkhart, Fulton, Grant, Huntington, Jay, Kosciuszko, LaPorte, LaGrange, Marshall, Miami, Noble, Pulaski, St. Joseph, Stark, Steuben, Wabash, Wells, and Whitley. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WXJ 57.